Hey, what is up guys, my name is Alex and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to graph by this three form, which is standard form, slope intercept form, and point slope form. Okay, starting off by standard form. Ax plus by equal to c, that's the equation of this form. And let's make an example. I'm gonna set a as 3x plus 4y equals to 12. Yeah, that's our example over here. And now we need to find the x-intercept and y-intercept, which is gonna be look like this pretty much. So when the line touch the x-axis, the number or amount, whatever you call it, of y is equals to 0. So for example, our y is gonna be 0. So 0 times 4 is equal to 0, so 3x equals to 12 when x is equals to 4, y equals to 0. The same thing for for y-intercept. If our x is 0, y is gonna be equals to, let's see, 3, 4, 3. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3. And now we get our x and y intercept by this way. So the x is equals to 4, 0. We get a point, and y-intercept is 0, 3. So we got 2 points over here. Let's draw those 2 points on the graph. So start off by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the x-intercept, 4. And the 3 for y-intercept, 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's the y-intercept of 3. And what we can do is just simply draw a straight line, which I don't really know how to do it. That's really hard in this software, but we will get to it later. Who cares? And let's move up to our second equation, which is called slope intercept. The equation of it is y equals to mx plus b, and let's set y is let's say y is, I don't know y, so y is equals to mx slope. The slope is gonna be 1, not really 1, minus 2 or something, x plus 4. Yeah, it's a different than the first one, but who cares? We can do this. And now we can find out the x-intercept and the y-intercept also. Oh my gosh, this is not straight. This is not perpendicular. Who cares? So let's put in. Oh, I forgot to say. B is actually equals to y-intercept. M is actually equals to the gradient of the line. So now we have already got the y-intercept, which is 0, 4. You don't even need to think about it. And the y-intercept is gonna be equals to 0 equals to minus 2x plus 4, which is means minus 2x equals to minus 4, means x equals to 2, y is 0. That's pretty easy. So we got this 2 points on the line, which is 2, 0, and 0, 4. This lag. This is 2, 0, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The line is gonna be look like pretty much this. I don't really know how to draw this line. Do I? Yeah, like that, perfect. And let's move on to the final, which is the hardest. I think it's the hardest, and I got some problem with my color once again. Okay, pretty close. And for the third, which is called point slope form, I don't really know what does this mean, but I can explain to you. What do you mean by point? Oops. What do you mean by point slope form? So, okay, here we are. We have this equation, y minus y2 equals to m times x minus x1. As you guys know, the slope, which is rm, the gradient, is equals to the difference between y over the difference between x. That's a weirdo x. Let's rewrite that. Yeah, pretty much. And right over here, we just actually change something. So here, so over here we actually change the position, which we times the difference between x in the different in the both side. So we get the difference between y equals to the difference between x times m. That's a weird x once again. Who cares? So let's give it an example. I need more space. Let's move this a bit, make it smaller. It's weird. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I want to set y. Yeah, we need to have 1 point. That's what we need. So maybe I can get a point, random point, maybe over here. This is x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1, 2, 3. So this is the point we have right now. And what I'm gonna do is put in to the formula. And oh yeah, I wanna make the m minus 2. Yeah, still the same as this. So no, actually no, minus 1. Okay, let's do this. So we have our formula right over here. I'm just gonna call y2 equals to a, x2 equals to b. So 2 minus a is gonna be equals to minus 1 times 3 minus b. This is our formula right over here. Now we just need to figure out a and b. So when we set b 0, it's gonna be 0 when b is 0 is equals to minus 3. 2 minus 5. So we find a is equals to 5. Yeah, pretty much. And b, when a is 0, b is gonna be, let's draw a line over here to separate that. B is equals to 2 minus 0 is equals to 2, and minus 1 times 3 minus 5. Is it 5 or 5? Is it 5? So 2 equals to minus 1 times minus 2 actually. So it's equals to 5. 5, 5. That's the second point. The second point is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's pretty much here. So we're gonna draw a line in this manner. It's gonna be pretty easy. I missed that. And this is the line of this equation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you learn something, and I will see you guys next time in the next video.